fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, come with a munna momala. Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, come with a munna momala.
Malak mom du tebal indi ya hasun digante. Mako gis matana ko mu yek ma ñu dobante. Def ma lu la neex ya ma mom do na hate ke fa nek na fi ko di nek defende jahase. Ke du way bu ko fu way jamu ñu li dante. Ana lo ko fi jarbe ñu ni nendi ante. Nyalla bo tam feka manke fenti yebul fale. Ci sol la ke batande ñing kanoy man kule noje. Dama si dembe je ka to niyo ngola laje. Amanke mola haji dinko ni ando nga faje. Na fi ko la muyti maratu lo ngola dila. Asido la muyti nyata no mini lafta nyola.
Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tambita Munna Momala. Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tambita Munna Momala.
En kudu yo ya isu manene tuti. Wama lopu gadi na kodem gori uti. Ni funyu sentu baby girl don't go this. Money don't go this. They smile in the light, but hate in the dark. They're smiling, waving at me while they stabbing my back. They don't even care that we've been through a lot. Since from the start, Booger, tear us apart. We will never be separated like Jello and Didi, Bobby and Whitney, oh Booba and Vivi. Yalla moko def the man hold be all I choose. Some of them I can ladies wanna be you. Me might see Zozo, yeah it's my sumbulu. Take on my cancer count, you song all a dibulu. Yeah my mala mom the low bugu take on my seat. Man I go yaga then you deck do nebe aga feet.
Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tambita Munna Momala. Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny.
Yeah, I'm really glad, you know, we're growing every day.
Global, huh?
Yeah, we're growing. BII TILO is really growing, you know, more broken.
I know.
Yeah.
So what do you have for the fans on 12 February?
12 February, a lot of surprises, you know. And like on behalf of the Ultimate Media, we really appreciate the comments, you know, the views, and you know the sharing of the content everywhere. So I'm always mundani correct. Fancy mol dua mole pour moving. I doing on the satellite, on TV station all day. Mol meta ka trailer pour mol la movie on TV station. But we having so many restrictions for the movie to go on TV stations, you know, because sometimes mol ka sambale gal ka fa mole nako moleta, you know, molena. So molka murum tele to le fu mole bata tele ñing, you know, aka difficult le pour mole na galen na content ñing fundindi. So the other thing is that sponsorship ngamira sponsorship fana no problem oti, but because the content nyata tele to anama sponsor soto aka difficult le pour tele ñi ya bondi. So the thing is like the stakeholders, the business partners and everybody that is there, you know, doing business outside there and nyanta kanale ale moving sponsor pour ay don tele to, because na man sponsor soto aka difficult le pour tele ñi ya funtindi, you know, even telephone ate mol febo la pour tele ya funtindi wonya free, then a man sponsor soto, then abekala le comme like mol ba di kan tele la for free, and dum fana ñil mulka movie ñim fana su there are like people mul be la tay mo takang ika di ndella molke sut molke publish online. So already YouTube and AdSense money will become all sustain no, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Aka difficult le pour molena you know nyantol fanan ani mol la solol be faj with that money, because there are a lot of bills and a lot of, you know, people also on the movie, on casting. So aka difficult le pour mole mil be jo with that money. So aka difficult le molka sacrifice like that. So we need the stakeholders and the business partners come on board. Galemol support, you know, let them support the movie, let them support the industry, because this industry is a growing industry, you know. 10 we started building celebrities, we started building names out of this business. You understand? So business all muyalonko abe names all Bill Kane, Pablo Wall, you know, Jackson Wall, you know, Sibo Wall, you know, Aji Wall Felenting, Kadibajo Wall. They all started having followers and names. So it's just a matter of, you know, bringing out that financial support to them, and so that they can at least elevate to the next level. Del fana muli alonko molbe production ke kan yaje comme bagasol fana aka difficult le pour mole bagasol fana soto, you know. So we need support. We need the support of the general public and everybody muli alonko, like especially business partners all. Nela business also like nang you know mole price or talaye you do art with us you pay art with us then mole publish mole channel lot you know
Yes, sir.
then TV fana ya publish you know yeah boy sibo volta if anything
Yo, hi Aisha baby, hey Siba baby. Yo Jojo, yo ladies. Okay, what do you have for us on February 12th?
February 12th they wanna touch for
You know.
Banko parel fu nekk ni holal
You know.
let's start kan
You know what you say? Yo Siba baby,
Yes my love.
what do you have for us on February 12th?
Yes baby girl.
What do you have for us on February 12th?
February 12 nga fem prepare ni mi man na jibe life man la fi moye mis lafta mo be lena mbe bon ko sambal fo zero
Ndoge bayabla.
bay fa
ka banko ni kan le
lafta theater
Anama ya tambulu, Sibo anama ya tambulu. Ariri tambulu, Sibo ariri tambulu. Anama ya tambulu, Sibo anama ya tambulu. Ariri tambulu, Sibo klubela tare.
Chica, me chica, yo te quiero. Chica, mi chica, mi amore. Chica, mi chica, yamfanema. Ikana kamfa, musunyuma la kene mani.
This is how we struggle, you know. We're going up and down. Easy now. Anyway, we go up and down anywhere we need to go. We trek it, we pay fares, you know. We dress up. I thank everybody who's supporting us, you know. And also the bundle diaspora goal, you know. I told them we appreciate you guys, you know. I love you, we see it, man. We love you and we respect you, man. I love Barakabaki, you know. Batin Tulam Balti, you know. Life at stake.
You the mole hey ali miss la ba bar ñi du émission mo fi ngi de ye gis la parce que taw ki la tele nga di la loxo de kal mo fu ko kul baliata la di la da di no la bari ako si ko kul baliata la ayata la de kul baliata la de si mo lo ki la mo la la ya of course ko lo wa sana ni ko ko
Vanima, nekagunole. Namunekela African doze, Salima Puneya Munekela. Namunekela African doze, Salima Puneya Munepoima. Nina kule kela mimandie.
ni mu résultat di ni manqué ci ko di résultat la
voilà 20000 table ordina
bañu ko may Mai. Then show salon.
Baby, I love the move one.
Huh?
Jumala bitasa.
Yo ya ki, yo ya ni fole na mo da DJ salon bi.
Don't spoil my life. I'm a big man and I'm from Sweden. Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Then we gotta pay. So you don't speak. I'm not going to
Manuka.
Nama awan bena idea lagi.
Yeah. Tell her, nation, stand up.
Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tamuna Momala. Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tamuna Momala.
Malak mo du tebal indi ya hasun digante. Mako gis matana ko mu yek ma ñundo bante. Def ma lula neex ya ma mom do na hate ke fande kana fi ko de neka defende ja hasse. Ke du wole ko ko ba jamu ñu li dante. Ala lo ko fi jarbe ñu nende ante. Nyalla mo tam fe ka manke fenti yebul fale. Ci solla ke batande nyin kano e man kule noje. Kama si dembe je ka to niyo ngola laje. Amanke mola haji din ko niya no nga faje. Nafi ko la muyti maratulo ngola dila. Asido la muyti nyata no mini lafta nyola.
Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tamuna Momala. Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tamuna Momala.
En kudu yo ya isu manene tuti. Wama lopu gadi na ko dem gori uti. Ni funyi send to baby girl dunko this. Money dunko this. They smile in the light, but head in the dark. They smiling, waving at me while they stabbing my back. They don't even care that we've been through a lot. Since from the start, Booger, tear us apart. We will never be separated like Jello and Didi. Bobby and Whitney, oh Booba and Vivi. Yalla moko def the man, hold me all like shoes. Some of them Jaffe ladies wanna be you. Me mai si zozo, ya isma sumbulu. Tego makansa kaunji song all a dibulu. Ya mama mala mom ne lobu good take on my seat. Mana go yaga nenyu dek du nebe aga feet.
Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny, Tamuna Momala. Tell me why should we fight another? Why should we fight another? Jenny,